Hello, and welcome to the Office of Admission, Records and Retention. Today we are going to review the college graduation requirements.
For degree programs, a Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science, Associate of Arts or Associate of Science, is awarded upon completion of the general courses, major courses, total required credits, attain a cumulative and graduation semester GPA of at least 2.0, and you have applied for graduation. For certificate program, it is awarded upon completion of the prescribed courses, total required credits, attain a cumulative and completion semester GPA of at least 2.0, and you have applied for graduation.
Using MyShark, you can check the completion of your program's general course requirements, major course requirements and total credits requirement. Just log in to your MyShark account. On your MyShark account, click on Degree Completion, located at the left side of the screen. Your IDP will show up. The credits required is the minimum number of credits you need to complete your program. The credits unmet shows the remaining credits that you need to complete. The course code and number showing on the major requirements or general requirements are the courses that you need for your program. Thank you. And please also check out our video tutorials on MyShark to learn more.